Love feels like something that happens to us. It's something that comes over us often when we're least expecting it. You become love-struck, love-sick. You meet someone, then you just can't help but fall in love. The love that you two share is beautiful and plain for everyone to see here. It's how your story began, and it's what brought us here today.
The time it takes the edges to become well-worn.
However, marriage does not run just on love. It's one of the most important ingredients, certainly, but it alone is incomplete. Marriage requires sacrifice and compromise. It requires compassion and grace. It asks a lot of us. It asks us to say, I'm sorry, and I forgive you, and you can wear a green suit to our wedding.
Dear Courtney, when I met you, I was a very independent person. I had friends and family around me, but I really only knew how to rely on myself, give to myself, and care for myself. Over the years, you've taught me so many new ways to love others and ultimately be a better person. Thank you for tolerating my immaturity and for teaching me how to grow up.
But with your arms around me, I've never been more sure.
When I was reflecting on our story, I realized that time, I already messed it up. I realized that there was a theme, and that theme is time. Up until I met you, I dreamed about being madly in love and finding my forever person. It said that the best things in life take time, witches weren't what brought us together. Time was, and I can't read my writing. And it took a lot of time for us to find each other, which for you is pretty on brand.
Through the years it grows, but time will hold the weight. My love will not change.
I love your youthfulness, your joy for the simple things in life, and your insatiable appetite for refried beans. I love your sense of adventure and the way you always leave one cracker in the cupboard, so I'll always have something to remember you by.
You are beautiful.
Stop. You were special, immediately differing from anyone I'd ever met. You were calm, collected, and confident in yourself and your unique disposition. But since that time, and from there on out, I've been hooked. You brought me balance, teaching me to slow down in the midst of chaos, to not think when I'm too deep in my head, to embrace adventure, and to do things with thought and intention.
Happy wedding, dude.
Get me good money.
Oh no.
My love will not change. My love will not change.
I love your passion for helping others and your continuous drive to improve yourself. My life is immeasurably better with you by my side.
You were my constant light, guiding me through my darkest days. If there's one thing that I've learned this year especially, it's this. Time is precious and not something that we have a lot of.
I vow to be your best friend and greatest supporter for the rest of our lives.
I promise to soak up every moment with you and live our life to its fullest.
I vow to choose forgiveness whenever things get difficult. Of all the forms of love that you have taught me, I think that's the most important one. Because when I choose you over everything else, we're unstoppable. Courtney, I promise to love you and commit to you my whole life.
Joel, I promise to love you and commit to you my whole life.
I promise to be there for you when you need me,
To be honest with you,
to be faithful to you,
and to walk through the valleys of life together.
just as we will stand atop mountains together too.
And with the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church in the state of Oregon, I'm so happy to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.
I just want to really thank you for coming to form this community of love to celebrate this union.
Courtney, thank you so much for being the very best friends. I love you. I'm so happy for you. Joel, you are so great. I'm so glad I've gotten to know you way more.
I know you love Courtney, so wishing you all the very best.
And I hope it's filled with so much love and so much adventure.
Let's raise a glass to Joel and Courtney. We love you guys so much. Thank you for bringing us together. Congratulations.